you thought about today, but I thought it was better. I mean, gosh, the wind speeds were down. We had a little bit more sun in the mix. At least we didn't have that squally snow shower activity going on. That was the situation yesterday. Deborah sending this really terrific reported photo in from Amherst earlier this morning with some of the sun, at least, that lasted for a while up in that direction during the morning hours before more clouds took over, and then the sun broke out again later in the day. Satellite radar picture, as I mentioned yesterday when we checked out the Future Watch, it was indicating that there might be a little bit of cloudiness brushing the area today. Sure enough, that was the case. Some mid-clouds brushing off a warm front out to the west of the region, but that stuff is moving off to the east now, the northeast, and we should be into at least mostly clear skies for a while tonight before some more patchy clouds start to head our way later tonight. Super microcast, let's check it out. The big story again, though, wind is back. This is such a windy spot. We have a tough time with that, and once again, that's going to be the case across the higher terrain, especially by morning. The wind speed starting to increase, and pretty much everybody is going to be dealing with a very windy day across the area for Monday. Along with that, we'll see some intervals of clouds working across the area, some arriving already in time for midday across northern sections, and you can see the computer trying to spit out a little bit of minimal precipitation here during the afternoon. I wouldn't rule out maybe a few isolated rain showers or perhaps flurries, but anything that were to happen tomorrow afternoon will be very insignificant. There may be a few flurries down across the ski country tomorrow night. They wind down by early Tuesday morning, and Tuesday shaping up to be a pretty decent day with at least some morning sun giving way to more increasing clouds again during the afternoon hours. Those winds, by the way, that are heading our way tomorrow start to die down again getting into Monday night. Neighborhood temperatures right now, we're looking at 34 degrees up on the island and 34 there at Pendleton, 33 at Williamsville, 34 at Lancaster, down through Cheektowaga. Pair of threes at Elma, again, West Seneca at 35, down to freezing already at Hamburg and Eden, even a little bit below that down here at Colden in the Boston Hills with 28. And readings pretty close to that, even across the southern tier areas of northern PA right now. Jamestown at 28, a 30 at Bradford, Wellsville 32, 31 degrees at Niagara Falls, and a 30 up to the north at TO. Well, today's high temp in Buffalo up to freezing, same as yesterday. The low down to 23 earlier this morning. And we're looking at a sunrise time of 6:56. Both lake shores are down 1 degree today. Off Buffalo, 34 degrees and 37 degrees for Rochester on Lake Ontario. Here's your forecast details for the overnight. Mostly to partly clear skies. Not a bad night shaping up, but the winds do increase across the higher terrain and along the Erie Lake Shore in Chautauqua County by morning. Low temps down to 25 to 30 degrees. Tomorrow, quite windy for Monday. Cloudy intervals, slight chance of an afternoon shower or flurry, but they will be isolated. The high is 40 to 45, turning colder during the afternoon. Mostly to partly cloudy tomorrow night. Scattered flurries in ski country. The winds diminished by morning, 20 to 27. And on Tuesday, morning sun, then increasing clouds, 32 up to the north, 37 along the Pennsylvania line. And on Wednesday, look for a situation where we may be dealing with some icing, sleet, and freezing rain. This is going to be a real tricky situation for midweek, possibly changing to rain in the afternoon in areas south of the city, 36. Another storm heading our way towards Saturday with rain, possibly changing to snow late in the day, and the potential for strong to high winds at that time. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Twitter tonight.
Okay, thanks so much, Mike. So